Hello everyone, welcome back to Defi Dragon. Today we create a Telegram bot that will track a new pool that live on Tone blockchain. So it will be post the all detail related the pool. So here is the token price in USDC and the amount in Tone, the token name, token address, pool address, market cap, price changes. So here is the script for this bot, and here is the message we are posting. Let's run our bot node. Bot started. So it's posting a message like this is the price, the name. So we can create these types of bot on any blockchain you want. So if you want to build these types of bot, you can contact us on Telegram.